Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to control the LED lights without any remote in 2026. Now, this is going to help you still use your lights even if your remote is lost or even if it is not working. Now, many modern LED lights support the app control. So if your lights are smart, you can just simply download the correct application based on your light. After that, you can connect your light to Wi-Fi, and you can also establish the connection via Bluetooth. So after the connection is established, you can adjust the brightness, the colors, and the powers directly with the help of that application on your phone. Now, some LED lights can be controlled by switching power on and off quickly. So, for example, turning the switch on and off multiple times can change the color or the modes. This works on many LED strips and bulbs even without a remote. Now, if your lights are smart enable and you can just simply control them using voice commands. You can connect them to Alexa or Google Assistant, and you can say some of the commands like turn on the light or change the color to blue. This also removes the need of a remote completely. Now, if your LED lights uses the infrared or Bluetooth, you can use a universal remote application or controller. Some phones also support the IR blasters in order to control the lights directly. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.